Today, I'll show you how to find all Gmail accounts created with a phone number. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Google does not provide a simple public list of every Gmail account ever created with your number. What Google does provide is a username recovery process that can help you find Google accounts that match your phone number or recovery email, along with the full name on the account. Google says that after you confirm it's your account, you'll get a list of usernames that match. To start, open Google's account recovery page and choose the option for Forgot Email, then enter the phone number connected to the account you're trying to find. After that, type the first and last name used on the Gmail account. This part matters because Google uses both the phone number and the name to search for matching accounts. Next, follow the verification steps on the screen. Google may ask you to confirm that the request is really coming from you before it shows any matching usernames. If the details match, Google says it can show a list of usernames linked to that information. If no match appears, double-check the phone number and name for mistakes, or try a different number or recovery email if you have one. Now here's a helpful tip. If you're having trouble, Google recommends doing account recovery from a familiar device and location. That means using a phone, tablet, or computer where you've signed in before, using the browser you normally use, and trying from a place like your home or office. Those details can improve the chances of successful recovery. Also keep in mind that this process helps you find accounts associated with your information for recovery. It may not work for every account if that phone number was never added as a recovery or sign-in number, or if the account details no longer match what you enter now. Google will let you know if it can't find an account that matches, and that's how to find Gmail accounts connected to your phone number. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.